topic of our assignment is colligative property, and members of our group are Anjali, Muskan, Ritu and Meenakshi.
The topic of our experiment is colligative properties, and the aim of our experiment is to determine the molecular weight using colligative properties. Colligative properties are the properties that depend on the mole fraction of solute. The four types of colligative properties are elevation and boiling point, depression and freezing point, osmotic pressure, and relative lowering of vapor pressure.
Colligative property which we are using is elevation and boiling point.
The phenomenon of elevation and boiling point is the boiling point of solution is higher than that of a pure solvent. The solvent used here is distilled water, and the solute used is an unknown solvent. Materials required are tripod stand, Bunsen burner, iron gauge, water bath, unknown salt, thermometer, and distilled water.
For this experiment, we will require 60 gram of distilled water, which is a pure solvent, and 40 gram of unknown salt, which is the solute. We know that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, so we will measure the boiling point of water after adding the salt in it. To measure the boiling point of water, place the beaker containing water in a water bath and heat it. Heat until the water is about to boil. Record and note the temperature. Then weigh 40 gram of salt using a weighing machine. Add the weighed salt into 60 gram of water. Heat this solution until it starts to boil. Then record and note the temperature.
To determine the molecular weight, calculations are as follows. So weight of solvent, which is 80 gram, weight of solute, that is unknown salt, which is 40 gram. Now, using the formula of elevation of boiling point, delta Tb is equal to Kb into I, where delta Tb is elevation in boiling point, Kb is atmospheric constant, M is molarity. Now, Kb of water is 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per mole. Since delta Tb is Tb minus T0B, where Tb is the boiling point of solution and T0B is the boiling point of pure solvent, and by the formula of molarity, Wb is the weight of solute, Mb is the molar mass of solute, Wa is the weight of solvent. Now putting all these values, we will get Mb, that is molar mass of solute, which is 58.5. We know